Hello, Colettes, for card number 1. Well, I can see in this card na meron kang shadow self. Dumadating ka sa point na nagiging destructive and toxic ang iyong behavior. Andun ka rin sa minsan feeling trapped ka, there's lack of fulfillment in your life, and maybe a slave na parang feeling mo failure ka, kaya nagiging powerless ka. Well, right now, kailangan mong i-manage yung mga bagay-bagay na yan and start to refocus. And always be sure na you would be able to overcome yung envy and greed. Minsan nakikita mo sa sarili mo na bakit sila okay na, nag-progress na, ako hindi pa, stagnant pa rin. Kasi parang nandun ka lang minsan sa kung anong meron ka, kung ano lang yung gusto mo, tapos hindi mo tinitignan yung bigger picture. So, do not be afraid to jump into yung parang hindi ka familiar na bagay or di familiar gawin kasi you can try a new venture, mag-invest ka sa business, tsaka parang ikaw, i-improve mo yung sarili mo kasi you would be able to find new opportunities. All you need to do sometimes is i-welcome mo yung changes na nangyayari sa buhay mo, sa trabaho, sa negosyo, or even sa finances mo kasi mas maraming dadating. Now is the best time for you to develop a new skill para go forward. You need to go forward, magkaroon ka ng focused intention, and lagyan mo ng konting hard work yung sarili mo. Kasi soon, you would be able to see lahat ng mga efforts mo will reap good rewards. And also, parang hindi to hindi natin pwedeng sabihin na stagnant na lang ako, ganito na lang ako. Minsan, it's an eye-opener. Eye-opener to sa atin na, parang kailangan na nating mas magplano for a bigger picture. Parang nakikita ko that something big is happening soon. Some of you, andyan yung marriage, panganganak, a new job, or something na magbibigay sa'yo ng panibagong simula. So, do not worry because your efforts are being noticed and soon, you will reap great rewards. At ang message naman ito, etong situation na to, binibigyan ka ng opportunity also to heal, grow, and somehow release negative patterns. Yeah. Doon ka palagi sa intention na mas magiging, mas magiging magaan sa'yo, yung magkaroon ka ng inner peace, and minsan, bibigyan na mo rin ng mga bagay-bagay na pwede mong i-release. Okay, let's say na hindi naman natin kayang magpatawad agad-agad, pero minsan kasi pag nire-release mo yung bad energy, bad intention and thoughts, nabibigyan ka ng positive energy, nababalikan. And soon, parang papunta ka na sa growth, peace, and contentment. And also, don't forget na magkaroon ka ng compassion sa sarili mo kasi yan ang pinaka-importante sa lahat. Remember, parang sabi nga nila, the greatest gift na pwede mong ibigay sa sarili mo is not money or compassion. It's always peace of mind. Okay? That's all for card number 1. Stay safe, be blessed, and namaste.